A detailed explanation of the anatomy and physiology of the cardiovascular system. Anatomy of the cardiovascular system. The cardiovascular system is made up of the heart, blood vessels, and blood. The heart is a muscular organ located in the chest cavity. It has 4 chambers, 2 atria and 2 ventricles. The atria are the upper chambers of the heart, and they receive blood from the veins. The ventricles are the lower chambers of the heart, and they pump blood out of the heart into the arteries. Blood vessels. The blood vessels in the cardiovascular system include arteries, veins, and capillaries. Arteries carry oxygenated blood away from the heart and into the body's tissues, while veins carry deoxygenated blood back to the heart. Capillaries are the smallest blood vessels in the body, and they allow for the exchange of oxygen, nutrients, and waste products between the blood and body tissues. Blood is a fluid that circulates throughout the body. It consists of red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets, and plasma. Red blood cells contain hemoglobin, a protein that binds with oxygen and transports it to the body's tissues. White blood cells help protect the body against foreign substances and infections. Platelets help with blood clotting. Plasma is a yellowish fluid that carries blood cells, nutrients, waste products, and hormones throughout the body. Physiology of the cardiovascular system. The cardiovascular system functions to circulate blood throughout the body, delivering oxygen and nutrients to the body's tissues and removing waste products. The heart functions as a pump, contracting and relaxing to circulate blood throughout the body. The cardiac cycle is the sequence of events that occurs during a single heartbeat. During systole, the heart contracts, pumping blood out of the heart and into the arteries. During diastole, the heart relaxes, allowing blood to flow into the heart from the veins. Blood vessels. Arteries, veins, and capillaries all play important roles in the cardiovascular system. Arteries transport blood away from the heart and into the body's tissues. They have thick walls and are able to withstand high pressure. Veins transport blood back to the heart from the body's tissues. They have thinner walls and are able to stretch to accommodate larger volumes of blood. Capillaries are the site of exchange between the blood and body tissues. They have thin walls, allowing for the exchange of oxygen, nutrients, and waste products between the blood and body tissues. Blood functions to transport oxygen, nutrients, waste products, and hormones throughout the body. Red blood cells transport oxygen from the lungs to the body's tissues. White blood cells help protect the body against foreign substances and infections. Platelets help with blood clotting. Plasma transports nutrients, waste products, and hormones throughout the body. Blood pressure. Blood pressure is the force of blood against the walls of arteries. Blood pressure is highest in the arteries when the heart contracts during systole, and it is lowest in the arteries when the heart relaxes during diastole. Cardiac output. Cardiac output is the amount of blood the heart pumps per minute. It is calculated by multiplying the stroke volume, the amount of blood pumped out of the heart during each heartbeat, by the heart rate, the number of times the heart beats per minute. Cardiac output is an important measure of cardiovascular function. I hope this detailed explanation of the anatomy and physiology of the cardiovascular system is helpful. Let me know if you have any further questions.